She watched while my cradle through long sleepless nights. She taught me to pray as she knelt by my side. She guarded my childhood and all through the years. She echoed my laughter. She counted my tears in the arms of my mother. I came to believe that God sent an angel to watch over me. She taught me the meaning of courage and faith. She taught me to live with the Lord as my strength. She taught me to follow the pathway He marked. She guided my steps when the journey grew dark, and I know there were dangers that I could not see, but God sent an angel to watch over me. She taught me to serve with a spirit that sees. She taught me to seek after heavenly things, and because of her love and her kindness and care, because of the peace that I hold in her prayers, and because of her goodness, I still believe that God sent an angel to watch over
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you. Salamat sa pag-alaga sa akin. Sorry kung makulit ako. Mahal na mahal kita, Mama. Bye.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I thank God for giving us you as our mother. You're such an incredible person, an incredible mother to us, your children, and an incredible wife to Papa. Your endless love, selflessness, and dedication really inspire us every day. You are the heart of this family, and we are so grateful for everything you do. I apologize, Mama, for what I did before. Alam mo na po yun. I am really sorry for that. And I am thankful. I thank you, Mama, for still taking care of us, though we're at the right age to decide or to do what we wanted to do, but still you're there to guide us to choose the right decision and action na gagawin po namin. I'm really thank you, Mama. And yeah, I love you so much. I love you so much, Mama.
Happy Mother's Day sa pinakamaganda kong mama. Thank you sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo. Gabay sa aming magkakapatid. Alam namin na hindi namin yun masusuklian, pero sana maramdaman mo na mahal ka namin, pinapahalagahan. And ayun lang, Happy Mother's Day ulit.
Hi Mama, I love you. Happy Mother's Day Mama. Maraming salamat sa lahat Mama, sa pag-aalaga mo at sa pagmamahal mo sa amin. I love you Mama. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy Mother's Day ulit. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day Mama and Happy Mother's Day Ate Lot. First of all, I would like to thank to my beautiful mama, Mama Julie. Ma, thank you sa inyong sakripisyo sa amin. Salamat sa inyong pag-aalaga sa amin since day 1 hanggang ngayon sa paglaki namin. Salamat Mama sa inyong mahabang pasensya sa amin. Alam ko po na di biro ang magpanaki ng walong anak, lalo na't may iba-ibang ugaling mabait pa rin. Salamat Mama sa inyong pag-ibig sa amin, sa inyong pagmamahal na walang kapantay. Salamat dahil isa po kayo sa nagdala sa amin sa church na nakakilala sa Panginoon. At ayun Mama, salamat sa lahat. Ingatan niyo po ang inyong sarili. I pray na bigyan pa po kayo ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. Bigyan pa kayo ng kalakasan. Ingatan niyo po ang inyong sarili Mama. I miss you so much and soon na magkita tayo ulit. At I love you Mama and Happy Mother's Day ulit Mama and Ate Lot. God bless sa ating lahat. See you soon.
Happy Mother's Day po, Mama Julie. Thank you for accepting me in the family as your daughter. And I am so blessed and thankful dahil ikaw po ang naging aking mama. And your testimony is a great blessing sa akin po. Naging mabuting halimbawa ka po sa akin and how you raise up your children, lalo na po kay Jay. Thank you po sa pag-alaga mo sa kanya. At I pray to God na ikaw po ay pagpalain ka pa niya ng magandang kalusugan. Also, nawa ay ipagkaloob ng Panginoon ng mga heart's desires mo po, Ma. And also, Happy Mother's Day po, Ate Ninang Lotlot. We are so happy and na binigyan po ng Panginoon ang yung heart's desire. Nagkaroon po kayong baby. And we're so blessed na, ayan, lalaki na po yung family po ng Solmeron. And we pray na maging healthy ka po. Ganon din si baby. And God bless your family. Kina Angie sa kina Kuya.
Yes, message ko din kay Mama Julie ay Happy Mother's Day and I love you so much and I miss you and I'm so excited to see you again sa July and I thank you sa lahat ng mga ginawa mo at lahat ng sakripisyo mo for us, mga kapatid. We are 8 siblings na inyong inaruga at hindi nyo kami pinabayan at iniwan. Salamat Ma sa lahat ng ginawa mo for us and hindi ko siya there's no enough words to describe how much we love you and how much we appreciate everything na ginawa mo for us and hindi po madali na maging mother for us but you did your best and you are more than enough for us and salamat sa Panginoon sa inyong buhay po and I pray for you to God will bless you more good health and lahat ng mga pinagpipray mo sa Panginoon para sa amin din, sa ating pamilya ay naway ipagkaloob ng Panginoon. And for Ate Ninang Lotlot, I'm so happy also and looking forward. I'm excited to see my second pamangkin and basta I'm happy na pag umuwi ako dyan sa Philippines ay meron akong second na pamangkin and I pray for you and for your family kay Kuya Noy and naway kayo pa ay blessed ni God financially, blessed ni God physically and spiritually, na kayo ay tumatag as one family na nagtitiwala sa Panginoon at patuloy na naglilingkod sa Panginoon sama-sama, and magiging magandang halimbawa din po kayo sa mga anak ninyo, kay NJ at sa susunod na inyong magiging baby. And I thank you for taking care, Kuya Noy and NJ, and being a good wife and good daughter-in-law kay mother, kay father, and being a ninang for us, and then also ikaw po ay mabuting ate and napakabait na ate, and for us sa mga 8 magkakapatid, no. Maraming salamat sa Panginoon sa buhay niyo ni Mama at kayo po, Ate Lot, and I love you so much and I miss you.
Love you. Happy Mother's Day.
Hi Ma, happy Mother's Day. I miss you, I love you. Thank you sa lahat, sa sakripisyo, sa pag-alaga po. Salamat. Kay Ate Lot, happy Mother's Day din po, Ate Lot. Nawal magpalakas ka, and excited sa bago niyo magiging baby niyo ulit. Yan lang, I love you all, I miss you all.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama Lula. I love you. Salamat sa paghatid at pagsundo sa akin sa school. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. I love you. Mahal ko po kayo ni Papa Lolo. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Marami pong salamat sa pagsuporta po sa amin.
I love you.
I love you. I love you, Ma.
Ingat ka palagi.
Ingat ka palagi kayo ni Papa. Mga kapatid ko, I love you.
I love you all.
Hello, happy Mother's Day, Joel. Salamat sa Panginoon sa napakabuti mong nanay sa ating mga anak. Alam ko na hindi madali na magiging nanay sa 8 nating mga anak. Ngunit ito po iyong napagtiyagaan dahil alang-alang po sa kanila ikabubuti, at patuloy lang bilang ina ng tahanan ang iyong tungkulin bilang ilaw ng tahanan, at patuloy lang sa buhay na may kagalakan, kasayahan at kapayapaan upang malampasan ang lahat. Salamat po, Joel. Happy Mother's Day. Yan lang po. Kay Lot naman, Lot, happy Mother's Day. Tuloy lang ang buhay, pagtitiyaga, pagtitiis, at tungkulin mo bilang ina ng tahanan, dahil magdadalawa na yung anak mo. Kailangan pangunahan mo sa ayon sa buhay na may kalakip ang kalooban ng Diyos upang magiging mabuti at maayos ang isang tahanan sa panguna po ng bilang ina. Yan lang po, at Happy Mother's Day. Thank you.